Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset everything on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to reset everything on your iPhone, so let's see how can I do that. You have to simply open your settings app. In settings, first of all, you have to make sure that you have backup of your data because it will remove everything from your phone. It might be documents, videos, photos, your Apple account and much more. So you must have to get a backup, and after that just go ahead to settings and then go for general, and here simply scroll down and you will get the transfer or reset iPhone. You must have to select that option, and here select erase all content and settings. Once you have selected, you will get different options. Here you can see that erase this iPhone, erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your password, personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. So here the following items will be safely removed from this phone. It might be apps and data, your Apple account, and Find My. So if you want to reset your phone, simply tap on this continue option and here select erase iPhone. Once you have selected, you have to enter your passcode, and after that it will take a backup of your data and then it will automatically reset your phone. So it will take a couple of minutes. You must have to wait for it. If you want to skip this backup, simply tap on skip backup option and it will be skipped.